website project, I like to set up style guides so that I could use these over and over and easily edit hundreds or thousands of objects if I want to change the color. So I have this rectangle selected. It's going to be a hot pink, but it isn't yet. I'm going to go over to the fill. I'm going to click the plus sign, and I am going to now come over here, and I have the hex code already. So I'm just going to type in the hex code that I see there, and it is now hot pink. So what I need to do next to create this into a style guide, so I mean, on the one hand, I have a fill, and that's fine. It will show up as a document color, but then I would have to change, if I want to ever change the shade of pink, I would have to change every single object individually. If I create a style guide, however, then I can change all objects at the same time that are that color. I'm going to click these four dots. I'm going to click the plus sign, and I am going to call it hot pink and say create style. Now I have my style guide here, and I have all of these colors added.